We're here at our brand new Protyre Sheffield Petrol Street Centre, and this centre is a little unique because for the first time we've used equipment from Butts of Bawtry, all of our heavy duty equipment, our alignment ramps and all of our machines. And what we found really early on in the past 2 or 3 months since we've been open is that the guys are really engaged and positive about the quality of the equipment, how simple the equipment is to use, and actually the reliability in itself, which is crucial to keeping our operations running. We have grown a lot over the past few years, and in terms of our garage operations, we find ourselves having a multitude of suppliers. It's quite complex in terms of what we do, in terms of heavy installations, in terms of aircon equipment, in terms of any other garage equipment, but not just that. We have to look for suppliers that can repair them, we have to look for suppliers that can calibrate our equipment, and at the same time service that equipment. What we found with Butts of Bawtry is a one-stop shop for us, a nationwide business that can offer us all those level of services in terms of our ramps, the repair, the maintenance, the calibration of those equipment. So it enables us to get a quicker, simple, faster solution to all of our network across all our 157 garages from a one-stop shop. The service from Butts of Bawtry during this installation has been magnificent, and I think it's fair to say you'll be really impressed with the equipment. Let's go and have a look at it and see what you think.
At Protyre, we're really big on customer service and health and safety for our guys. We had this machine installed through Butts of Bawtry as a fully tyre leverless tyre changer. The first function on this machine is the tyre lift. This is great through health and safety as it takes away all the heavy lifting involved in tyre fitting. Our guys really like this function. It's quick and easy to use. The second function is it's fully leverless. No levers involved, so there's no way of us damaging any wheels for any of our customers' cars. Third, and probably my favourite one, is the memory function. The memory function, with it being a fast fit centre, is much easier for the guys. So one tyre on, one tyre off, the machine memorises it, we're in and we're done. A big part of our business is wheel alignments. As cars have developed and got more advanced over the years, we needed to make sure our machines were at the highest spec to meet our customers' needs. This machine's really great. One thing we do like about this machine is a 3-point clamp system. This system ensures our machine is user-friendly, quick to use and causes no damage whatsoever to the car and the wheels that we're working on.
Butts of Bawtry have been absolutely instrumental in helping us at Protyre create our Protyre Way initiative. The Protyre Way initiative is designed to try and help us drive consistency in how we operate and manage in our centres and our garage workshops. Over the past few years we've grown substantially as a business and trying to drive that consistent way of delivering for our customers and delivering the right services that we offer, and at the same time helping us to increase our productivity levels is a key part of our journey. In terms of that Protyre Way, in terms of having the right tools in the right place at the right time, for example when we have a customer come in for a tyre job, we want to make sure we give them the best advice possible, and that involves checking the brakes, measuring those brake discs and pads. So our Protyre Way brake board that Butts of Bawtry have helped us create allows us to deliver that right level of service at the right time, and again driving productivity levels up so we can keep more customers on the road safely.